How to add table of contents to your WordPress blog posts. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do it, and it's going to be automatic for all of your posts. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, we simply just want to go to the plugins section within our WordPress main dashboard, and then we simply just want to click on add plugin. Now we just want to search easy table of contents. So it's this one right here. So just go ahead and click on install now. Once that's done, you simply just want to click on activate. Here you can either go ahead and support them by upgrading, or you can just continue for free, try it out, and maybe you can do it in the future. So I'm just going to click on no thanks. I will stick with the free version for now. And this is going to take us to the setup where we can actually set a few things up, including the appearance of it and whether we want it to be automatic or not. So it's going to be supported for the pages and posts by default. I just want it to be supporting the posts, so I'm just going to toggle this off. Obviously this is going to be completely up to you. If you scroll down, you're going to also find the auto insert. I'm just going to leave it to posts only. That means it's going to automatically be added to all the posts, but we are going to also have some rules down below. So let's just go ahead and see them. So for the position, I'm just going to leave it as top. And then the condition here is show when there's 2 or more headings are present. You can obviously change that to 1 or even more. I'm just going to leave it at 2. So that means you will need to actually have 2 headings in your post in order for this to show automatically in it. If you want to add a word count limit, you can feel free to do so. And then we can just go ahead and change the header label if you want. It's going to say table of contents by default. You can feel free to change it. It's up to you. Same goes for box title and so on. But you can just take your time with these settings. But if you want to adjust the appearance, you can just scroll down. You should be able to find the appearance section, or you can just click on the top here. You should be able to find the option here as well. You can change a few things, like the width of it is going to be a little bit small by default, so I'm just going to try out 100%. Now, unfortunately, there's no live preview that you can see, so you may want to play around with the settings at first. Keep viewing your page until you find, the proper fit when it comes to the table of contents. The alignment is just none. By default, you can make it left, right, or center. And you're going to have a lot of different options here. For example, the font option, the theme option, whether you want it to be gray, light blue, and so on. And you also have custom theme if you want to really play around with the colors. So I'm just going to go for the black theme, and I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom because we have some advanced settings which I'm not going to touch, and I'm just going to save at the bottom. And that's pretty much all we need to do. So what we can do now is just view it. So we can just go to posts, all posts, and all of these are just dummy ones. So I'm just going to go for this one because it has, I think, 3 or 4 headings. They're kind of random, by the way. So yeah, in order to actually see it, you will need to view it. I don't think you can see it from the editor. So just click on view. And there you have it. If you just scroll down, you should be able to find table of contents. If you click on any of them, it's just going to take you there to that specific heading. Obviously, mine is just kind of broken. Not broken, but, the page itself is just kind of full of dummy text, and some headings are larger than the other one and so on. So it's kind of messy, but it works perfectly fine. And obviously you can fully customize this to your liking. As you saw, there was plenty of options and settings when it comes to the appearance and the functionality of it. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.